The sling bags are as stylish as they are convenient. Their compact and lightweight design makes it effective for you to carry your essentials without having a larger pack. They are great for daily use and travel, and you can keep your items organized, safe, and easily accessible. But there are many options out there, and it's not easy to make the right choice. That's why we have made a list and come up with a video about the 5 best sling backpacks for outdoor adventures just for you. So let's dive into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Even though this is the last one on our list, the Waterfly Chest Sling Shoulder Backpack doesn't compromise its functionalities. It is a very affordable sling shoulder backpack that is inexpensive, ideal for traveling and day-long hiking. This nylon-made sling backpack is durable, has a nylon lining, and waterproof construction. That means this is adequately functional enough for your day-long hikes and trips. Though it doesn't have a lot of space inside, that's how it is designed. With its 10 liters of capacity, you can carry your hiking essentials with you, and its zipper closure makes sure your items remain safe and secure. For storage, it has multiple compartments inside, including a bank card pouch, wallet pouch, and many more with a key rack. And it can hold a small water bottle for your safe hydration. These features are well adequate from a budget shoulder sling like this. And suppose you are looking for a budget-friendly option that offers plenty of functionality, in that case, the Waterfly Chest Sling is highly recommended for your family trips, day-long hikes, traveling, or any outdoor adventure. When it's about a sling bag, easy organization is something everyone prefers. And the Outdoor Master Crossbody is a spacious yet lightweight foldable sling backpack that keeps your valuables safe with its anti-theft features and effortless organization. This backpack is designed with plenty of smart pockets, hidden anti-theft pockets, and a water bottle holder so that you can stay organized on the move with all of your essentials. This versatile backpack has enough room for your camera, 12 inches laptops, or tablets. Apart from its 12 liters capacity, it has a breathable polyester construction that ultimately results in less sweat and more comfort even if you use it for an extended period. And finally, its reversed shoulder straps are padded and fits your multiple usage habits. The Outdoor Master Crossbody Sling Bag is a great all-day backpack for those who prefer to travel light and stay organized. It's true, this is not ideal for heavy packers, but it provides a surprisingly roomy interior and comfort for any adventure you have in mind. Featuring an adjustable rope shoulder strap, the Kavu Rope Sling fits your body as a bag should. This bag is similar in size and design to its fraternal twin, the Kavu Rope Bag, except that the rope sling is made of polyester, making it water resistant. This 600D polyester cotton canvas sling features an adjustable rope shoulder strap with side release buckle, 2 vertical zip compartments, 2 key or cell phone pockets, and a padded back with Kavu embroidery. With a capacity of 10 liters, this sling backpack might look small, but it has enough pockets and space for organization, and if you want to clean this, you can hand wash it. Finally, the Kavu rope sling comes in a wide variety of colors and patterns and is built for outdoor and urban adventures alike. It's an all-in-one icon that can be your new go-to sling bag. Osprey made its name in the outdoor realm, and you can throw the Daylight Sling from Osprey over your shoulder and go. Go where you say? Anywhere your outdoor adventure might take you. This sling backpack is small but comfortable and easy to use. Its anatomically shaped single shoulder strap with breathable and soft neo-spacer mesh provides comfort for long-term use, and its large zippered main compartment stores snacks and a map or an extra layer. In addition to that, its multifunctional interior sleeve lets you separate your essential items. It uses 210D nylon double diamond ripstop fabric with a 400D nylon pack cloth accent. Therefore, it provides durable performance, and its main YKK zipper front stretch mesh pocket offers easy access to your phone and other on-the-go necessities. And finally, it has a small 6 liters capacity, but its interior organizer and key clip help you keep it all tidy. In essence, the Osprey Daylight Sling keeps your essentials just over your shoulder, whether you're hitting the trails for a quick hike or traveling somewhere new. Great for both urban and outdoor adventures alike, the Patagonia Atom Sling is the overall best sling backpack on our list for your outdoor adventures. It is comfortable, uses quality material, and provides solid organization features. It is made with a recycled 630D nylon and 200D polyester blend fabric and a DWR finish that provides excellent water resistance and durability. This 2-compartment sling has just enough room for your essentials, and there are small zippered compartments on the shoulder strap and front as well. You can put your phone in its large and expandable chest pocket, and its padded tablet sleeve can hold your tablet. Its asymmetrical harness carries close to your body for all-day comfort even if you hike for a long time. Moreover, its breathable mesh pads on its shoulder strap and adjustable buckles enhance this sling backpack style and functionality. All in all, the Patagonia Atom Sling is an amazing sling backpack with its take-everywhere classic sling design, just the right amount of organization features, and close-fitting comfort. So that was our list of the 5 best sling backpacks for outdoor adventures just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.